Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure leads with ClickFunnels easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start securing leads with ClickFunnels, first, create your ClickFunnels account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, click the Build Funnel button to begin creating your funnel. Select the type of funnel you want to create, such as a lead generation funnel. Next, choose a template that best fits your aesthetic and functional needs. After selecting a template, you will be taken to the funnel editor. In the funnel editor, customize the pages by clicking on each section. Edit the text to make it suitable for your target audience. Add images or videos to enhance your content and engage your visitors. Set up an opt-in form to capture important lead information, such as email addresses. To configure the opt-in form, click on the form and select Edit field. Integrate your preferred email marketing service to manage your leads effectively. Once your form is set up, test it to ensure it collects data properly. Next, add a thank you page to acknowledge users for signing up. This page can also direct them to additional offers or resources. After finalizing your funnel layout, click the Save button to secure your changes. Now, check your funnel settings by clicking on Settings in the top right corner. Here, you can customize your funnel's URL and SEO settings to improve visibility. Next, create a traffic strategy to drive visitors to your funnel. You can use social media, email campaigns, or paid advertising for this purpose. Monitor your funnel's performance regularly using the Analytics feature. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your lead capture process. Finally, adjust your strategies based on the data collected to enhance lead generation. Following these steps will help you effectively secure leads using ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.